Now let me show you how to set the custom scale for out-of-scale plans. The ScaleMaster Pro XE has 10 custom scale registers. 5 of them are for US or imperial scales, and 5 of them are for metric scales. So the first thing you want to do is get yourself into the custom scale mode by pressing the mode key. There it is, it says custom scale, and position 1 of the available 5 is open. So the next thing I would do is hit set and scale. Tell it I want to set a scale. It says to go ahead and roll something. So ordinarily you would look at a plan and find any known or stated dimension, whether it's a 16-foot garage door opening or a 5-foot tub or any dimensioned line. In this case we've got a 20-foot dimension line here. We're going to go ahead and use that. So I line the pointer up with the hash mark there and just roll along that line and stop at this hash mark right there. Then I hit scale again, and it starts flashing the feet and inches. It's asking me, okay, was that a feet and inch value, or would you like to put in some other kind of units? And I think that's fine. Feet and inches is fine. So now using these left and right arrows and up and down arrows, I can control the next thing. So I want to move to the next item, which is setting the distance. Well, it's asking, was it in the thousands place? No. So let me move it over. Was it the hundreds place? No. Let me move it over. Yeah, it was in the tens place. We're talking about 20 feet here. So the up and down arrows allow you to increase or decrease the values. So let me press that once, twice. 20 foot is all I need. I don't have any inches, so I'm just going to hit set, and that concludes it. It says it's now set. So now to confirm that, I would come back to that same place and re-roll that distance, line up the pointer, and roll along the line. Trying to go as straight as I can, and get to the end, and right there.